That's where 3 suspects accused of killing an e-hailing driver in that city are making their first appearance. Let's listen in.
Thank you. Right, Dikeledi Tias Mpela. Who's Dikeledi? That is you. Is it Piti Machidi? You in the middle. And then the third one is McLaren Mushwana. Ne? What language do you speak, Dikeledi Tias Mpela, Miss Mpela? Mr. Machidi? Mr. Mushwana? Right. Gentlemen and lady, you each have a right to legal representation. Eh? By that I mean, at your own cost, you may appoint a legal representative of your choice to come and assist you and help you in this matter. That is the first part. Do you understand? In the event where you want to make use of the services of a legal representative but are unable to afford one due to financial constraints, you are free to apply for legal aid, and where you qualify, the legal aid board will appoint an attorney for you virtually for free. You follow? Lastly, you are also at liberty to dispense of the services of legal representatives either appointed by yourself or legal aid. You are free to conduct your own defense. I deem it meet at this stage to indicate to you that the offenses you are facing are very serious. If I understand what the prosecutor had said, there is a minimum sentence, Mr. Prosecutor, Mr. Maruma, am I correct? That is applicable.
Correct.
Much as you are presumed innocent until proven guilty, I'm just saying, in concomitance with the seriousness of the offense, please make an informed choice, wise one. What do you like to do, Miss Mpela? Yeah, raise your voice, ne? Speak up. What did she elect? Mr. Machidi? Mr. Mushwana?
Thank you, Sonia.
Yes. I hasten to add, in agreement with the discussions we had with the media people, there's been a request, which I don't think is unreasonable, by the legal aid practitioner not to have her face, her countenance broadcast. You are humbly requested to desist from broadcasting the face of the legal representative. She has requested that. I don't think that is unreasonable. Thank you.
All right, it's 20 minutes after 10 o'clock. These are live pictures we're beaming to you from inside the Pretoria Magistrate's Court, where 3 people arrested in connection with the killing of a 22-year-old e-hailing driver are making their first appearance. They've all just announced now, or in fact, opted for legal aid. Of course, we do know that they do have the right to legal representation as the court goes through some administrative issues. An order has just also been given that the media is not allowed to show their legal representatives of these particular suspects, and I think that's what's currently being dealt with. Let's continue listening in.
My application in respect of accused number 203, Machidi and Yoshana, is that they be remanded to Pretoria West SABC for investigation purposes. And number 1, Dikeledi T.S. and Pela to Hosimampur. I'm suggesting the 23rd of February 2026 for bail investigations, Your Worship.
Ms. Koza?
Thank you, Chief. With regards to the bail, my instruction from all the 3 accused is that they wishes to abandon the bail in the interim.
As for the other requests, you've got no objections. Mr. Maruma, in the face of the submissions that they will not be pursuing any bail applications, do you still want that shortened postponement to next week?
Your Worship, bail investigations is necessary. In the event they change their attitude towards bail, they should find us already. But be that as it may, I may suggest a lengthy date.
A longer date, no?
Yes,
I do not want to say lengthy.
should I say long?
Longer than the week that you requested. You visually requested only a week, no?
Yes,
Obviously, I think that was in compliance with the provisions of Section 50 sub 6. So what I'm saying is, in the event where there is no bail, that makes it urgent for them to be brought back.
Your Worship, may we retain the suggested date of the 23rd?
Yeah.
Because the document only permits
Until the 23rd.
detention for 7 days.
I've just seen that. You happy with that, Ms. Koza?
February
What is the date? Is the 23rd, no?
3rd.
Thank you. I see there's also the letter ostensibly from the person in charge at Pretoria West SAPSLs, allowing for them to be held there. That is accused number 2 and 3. Now, Ms. Mpela, Mr. Machidi, Mr. Mushwana, this matter is postponed for bail investigations and any incidental investigations there too to the 23rd day of this very month, 23 February in this very court 16. You are all 3 in custody to be held there until your next appearance, with accused number 1, Ms. Mpela, being held at the local prison, and Mr. Machidi and Mr. Mushwana to be incarcerated until that day, to be held at the SAPSLs at Pretoria West police station. There is no bail for all 3 at this point. Thank you.
Number 2, number 3,
Thank you. You may stand up. There you go. Thank you. Ngajen.
All right, and so there you have it, a brief appearance for these 3 suspects as expected, given the fact that this is their first time in the dock. These are the individuals who have now been implicated in the murder of a 22-year-old e-hailing driver who was killed in that video that's now gone viral on social media. In fact, what we understand so far is that his cell phone was taken before his body, and the vehicle in which they were traveling was found abandoned in Atteridgeville. The 3 suspects that you're seeing on your screen have now decided to abandon their bail bid. However, according to the law, the state still needs to do a bail investigation in case they change their mind. That's why we're expecting all 3 of them to be back in this very courtroom in exactly a week's time, on the 23rd of February, after that bail investigation, we'll presume, will be completed. The woman on your screen there is being held at Hosi Mampuru Correctional Center, whilst the 2 men will be sent to the Pretoria West SAPS holding cell. And that's when, of course, they are expected back again in exactly a week's time. We'll see how things unfold. Very devastating story, of course, that's really caught the attention of many people around the country, given just how violent this crime seems to have been. The family already speaking out about how devastated they are that their loved one has been lost in this way. As soon as there's any other development, we'll certainly bring that to you here on the SABC News Channel.